A new day begins on one nature's farm, where the sun rises and the land awakens. Tabby the farmer stretches and gets ready. Another busy farm day ahead. With the sun on his back, Tabby rides off to pick up fresh feed for his chickens. At Manglando's feed store, it's all smiles and farm talk. A strong grip, a little effort, and the feed is ready for the ride back. Back at the farm, it's mealtime. Happy chickens, happy farm. A hard-working farmer deserves a good meal. Time to recharge. A broken fence today, a safe home for the chickens tomorrow. As the sun sets, another day of hard work ends with a peaceful heart.